In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record voice narrations directly in Microsoft PowerPoint. Whether you're preparing a presentation for work, school, or any other purpose, mastering this skill can transform your slides into engaging, immersive narratives that capture and retain your audience's attention. So, let's dive right in and explore the simple steps to add your voice to PowerPoint presentations. To kick things off, you'll need to open Microsoft PowerPoint on your computer. If you have a specific presentation in mind that you'd like to add your voice to, this is the perfect time to select it. Once PowerPoint is up and running, navigate to the opening screen where you can either create a new presentation or choose an existing file to open. If you're working on a project that's already underway, locate your file and open it. With your presentation open and ready, the next step is to find the Insert tab on the PowerPoint ribbon. That's the toolbar running along the top of the PowerPoint window. The Insert tab is home to an array of features that can enrich your presentation, including the option to add audio recordings. Your journey to adding a personal touch to your presentation is off to a solid start. Now, under the Insert tab, it's time to look for the Audio option. Clicking on Audio will bring up a drop-down menu with a few choices. Here, you'll want to focus on Record Audio. This option is your gateway to recording your voice directly within PowerPoint, turning your slides into a narrated experience that can be both informative and captivating. After selecting Record Audio, a new window will pop up prompting you to give your audio clip a name. This is particularly helpful if you plan to record multiple audio clips, as it keeps things organized and easy to navigate later on. Think of a name that reflects the content or purpose of the recording, something straightforward that you can identify at a glance. With your audio clip named, it's time for the fun part, recording. In the recording window, you'll see a red record button. Give that button a click when you're ready to start and begin speaking clearly and confidently into your computer's microphone. Keep an eye on your surroundings and try to minimize background noise to ensure your recording is as clear as possible. If at any point you need to pause and gather your thoughts, there's no need to worry. You have the option to pause the recording by simply clicking the pause button. This feature is quite handy for longer recordings or if you're unexpectedly interrupted. Once you're ready to continue, you can resume recording with ease. Finally, once you've finished speaking and your narration is complete, clicking OK will end and save the recording. Your newly created audio clip is now ready to be inserted into your presentation. You can move it around, adjust its position, and even control when it plays during your slideshow. And there you have it, an in-depth guide to recording your voice directly in Microsoft PowerPoint. This powerful feature can significantly enhance your presentations, making them more personal, engaging, and effective. Remember, practice makes perfect. Feel free to experiment with recording in different environments and using various tones or paces. The more comfortable you become with narrating your slides, the more dynamic and compelling your presentations will be. Before we wrap up, a few additional tips. Consider scripting your narration ahead of time to ensure a smooth, fluent delivery. Also, don't forget to preview your audio recordings within PowerPoint to catch any issues before the final presentation. Adjusting the volume and ensuring your narration complements rather than overpowers your slides are crucial steps to producing a professional-grade presentation. By following these steps, you're well on your way to mastering the art of voice narration in PowerPoint. Whether you're aiming to narrate a story, explain complex concepts, or simply guide your audience through your presentation, adding your voice to PowerPoint can elevate your message and leave a lasting impression. Thank you for joining me in today's tutorial on how to record voice narrations in PowerPoint. I hope you found this guide helpful, and I encourage you to explore this feature further to unlock the full potential of your presentations.